Hi, Dad. Happy Father's Day. Hi, Nicholas. Happy Father's Day from Mommy. Wishing you all the best and hope to see you soon.
Hi, good morning. My name is Frenchelle, and I'm sending Happy Father's Day greetings to my daddy, of course, and my son's father. Happy Father's Day when it comes.
Okay, my name is Chantel Patterson, and I'm sending greetings to my baby father, Orlando Powell, from Mountain View, and my dad, Omar Patterson. Best fathers in the world.
My name is Milton Williamson, and as a father, it's a responsibility. We as a father have to do our responsibility. We cannot expect someone else to do our responsibility because we are the one that make the babies. So growing up, my daughter lived with me and it wasn't easy, but I have to do what it takes. It was difficult, yes. It was very difficult in some times, but I have to do what it takes because I am the dad, so I have to show the responsibility as a father. Can't be going around making babies because any man can make babies, but to be a father, you have to be there to take care of her and the responsibility.
Hi Dad, this is Ashley Rochester sending greetings to you, George Rochester, and to my wonderful stepdad, Ainsley Johnson. You're the best dads I ever known. Thank you for everything that you've done. I love you all.
Yeah, I'm Keenan Evers, and I like to send greetings to the best father in the world, Keith Evers.
Yeah, keep steady, Sheena, and talk now.
Me have to see who me and talk to first.
Oh, my camera run.
What you guys want me to say?
So you're going to say your name and say who you're sending Father's Day greetings to.
Oh, my name is Sheena Fogg, and I'm wishing my dad, Dennis Fogg, happy Father's Day from England.
Every father, me as a father, it's good for me. You understand? Because I have a child, I'm looking forward for me to go to school every day and provide for her. So it's a wonderful feeling for me. I don't know about next father, how them feel for themselves, but I talk to the father as well. Every man to determine and take care of them youth. Because it's a joy to have a youth amongst you and people look for you different. Every day and every night, your daughter can call upon you at the best feeling that ever. You understand? Going to school, pick her up, carry her home, help her with her homework is a joy. So, big up to all the fathers out there who are doing it, and big up to who still not do it. You understand? Elliot said that, right? Big up. Observer, all the time.
Okay, this is Tanika, and I'm sending greetings, Happy Father's Day greetings to my spouse, Dominique McKnight. Also, I'd like to send Happy Father's greetings, Happy Day Father's greetings to my father, Aubrey Newell. So I wish for you on that day all the best with love from Tanika.
My name is Paul Loris Byfield. I'm 26 years old, and I am a proud dad. Growing up, I didn't have that much fatherly love experience, so I want to take this time out, this opportunity to send a message to all the fathers out there to let them know that the time that we are living in now, you understand, is a very crucial time, and we have to pay keen attention to our children, especially if they are girls. So for me, as a young man, as a father, this is my only child at the current moment, and I'm so blessed, and I give God thanks every day, that I can be a dad and experience the role of a dad, and I will do everything in my endeavors to make sure that she's okay and she's all right. So I just want to send a message to all the fathers out there. Take good and pay good attention to your children and take good care of them. God bless you. Happy Father's Day.
This is Mark Levy. Just want to send Father's Day greetings to my father, George Levy, aka Stanley over there in Greater Portmore, 2 East to be exact.
Alright, my name is Shamar. I big up my father. You know, if I never moved there, big up my father upon Father's Day when him come. Enough respect and love goes out to all fathers.
Yeah, man, so you don't know Sean, the big bad makeup artist, representing as a father. You don't know it's good to be a real father. Big up to all who never be a real father, but you don't know, still a father. Yes, I don't know. I represent, I don't know, because the youth them have to live in and the blessing. Boy, without the youth, them I turn me not father. Boy, I don't know how my life would be right now. You see me? For real, me not life. Youth them are the blessing. Yes, Sean? Real man, a blessing.